bold move that could change the landscape of protest in the UK. Parliament declares Palestine Action a terrorist group. The UK Parliament has taken a significant step by voting to designate Palestine Action as a terrorist organization, with the motion passing overwhelmingly 385 votes in favor and just 26 against. This legislative change, which revises the Terrorism Act of 2000, is poised to be signed into law by Home Secretary Yvette Cooper and is set to take effect later this week. Once the order is active, anyone supporting Palestine Action could face serious consequences, including a maximum prison term of up to 14 years for being a member or expressing support for the group's direct actions. However, the situation is not set in stone. Palestine Action is challenging this order legally, and a hearing is scheduled for Friday at London's High Court to consider whether this challenge can proceed. But here's where it gets controversial. While Palestine Action is now accompanied by two notorious right-wing extremist groups, the Maniacs Murder Cult and the Russian Imperial Movement, Palestine Action argues that such classification groups them unfairly with violent militias. The group contends that its emphasis on non-violent protests was unjustly overlooked in Parliament's deliberation. However, the UK government stands firmly by its decision, indicating that Palestine Action's recent acts, including the disruptive incident at RAF Brize Norton, where aircraft were targeted, were clearly intended to coerce government actions or intimidate the public. And this is the part most people miss. There's a divide within the political landscape. Some MPs, especially from the Labour Party, voiced concerns about whether declaring Palestine Action a terrorist group was a proportionate response. Some of these MPs argued that the group's activities could be addressed more suitably through existing criminal laws. Your thoughts? Do you believe sending Palestine Action to court was justified, or do you see it as a heavy-handed state intervention against peaceful protests? Share your views in the comments. There's a lot to consider about the balance between maintaining order and upholding democratic freedoms.